So it's one of the more, it's one of the more frequently asked astrophysical questions in the world. What is a black hole? Well, a black hole is the last final step of a Class C star's life, which in turn could create a few things. You got a quark star, which is hypothetical. It's not yet confirmed, but yeah. You have a black hole, which is what we're going to be covering today, and a neutron star. So let's not focus on anything else, just a black hole. So let's go from the beginning. Everything in the universe has what's known as a Schwarzschild radius, or Planck length. No, not Planck length. Yeah, Schwarzschild radius. A Schwarzschild radius is a measurement, whether it be in centimeters, millimeters, meters, miles. It's a measurement, and when anything of mass goes below or to this measurement, it will transform into a black hole. Now, a black hole can be caused by everything, really. You, me, them, outside the window, clawing on the door. Everyone can be converted into a black hole if we were compressed enough. Say, if the Earth was down to the size of a golf ball, it would be a black hole. But unfortunately and sadly, we do not have the technology at the moment to create things like this. And so when a star dies, it sheds its outer layers in what's known as a supernova or hypernova. After this, the radiation outwards cannot balance the gravity pulling inwards, and therefore collapses in on itself. And because the sun is basically just elements and plasma, it can go pretty small. And once it's down this small, it turns into a black hole. Black holes also emit a few types of things. We'll save Hawking radiation till the last, because that's how a black hole dies. A black hole can emit things called GRBs, or gamma ray bursts. These are very incredibly lethal bursts of, well, we don't quite know what it is yet, but especially that it's just pure energy. And they can emit these massive beams from the poles of the black holes. And if one were to collide with Earth, then massive damage would happen. The ozone layer will probably be destroyed. Most of humanity, it's basically a massive mass extinction on a level we've never ever seen before. Worse than the dinosaurs. And now, so onto Hawking radiation. Hawking radiation is a type of radiation. Well, no, it's not really, because Hawking radiation is the cause of black holes' deaths. As a black hole eats matter, stars, and eventually starts to swallow them whole, it radiates away the mass in something called Hawking radiation. And in that radiation is, well, take that back. There's nothing in the radiation. Radiation is just radiation. So that's it. We've covered it more or less. So, quick recap of the almost 5-minute episode of Science Crap. A black hole is an infinitesimally small point in space where a star, preferably a Class C, has reached its Schwarzschild radius and collapsed in on itself, with a near infinite pool of gravity. So thanks for watching. I was Cross Section. Welcome to my galaxy. Like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.